Great videos start with a cut, but they end with captions. Today, I'll show you how to export time-stamped SRT files in TimeBolt so your videos aren't just watchable, they're searchable. Captions aligned perfectly with your edits, silence is gone, filler words cut. If you're paying for a higher tier in CapCut, Premiere, Final Cut, or Resolve just to unlock captions, you can stop that today. You'll see side by side the difference between a free and paid transcript. But first, how it works in TimeBolt. To generate an SRT, you want to run Umcheck. For unscripted video, Umcheck removes filler words, repeats, and also generates your SRT. Or if you don't need to check for filler words inside unscripted video because it's scripted, you just simply click Export SRT to run the transcripts. Your Umcheck credits never expire, 50 cents for every 10 minutes of use, and because it is a standard text file, you can even pop it open and make quick tweaks like changing TimeBolt to TimeBolt. From there, import your cuts XML into Premiere, Final Cut Pro, Resolve. Now you've got captions that are perfectly in sync with your edits, and you can style the font, the effects, and design however you want. Now, I want you to notice the difference when you import into CapCut. With TimeBolt's SRT, captions are clean, punctuated, short sentences, broken up into readable cuts. With free, there's no punctuation, no caps, giant blocks of text, and a lot more editing left for you to do on a timeline. Even if you don't need baked-in captions, SRTs help with long format YouTube SEO. Let's say you've got a 60-minute Zoom. Run Umcheck, sculpted it down to 43 minutes of good content. You throw on turbo so everyone talks 12% faster. Then just click the three dots, export the SRT with turbo baked in, and upload it to YouTube. Drop it in under subtitles, and now every moment is indexed for SEO and search. There's no downside for the algorithm. TimeBolt works differently. We cut by waveform first, then layer in AI transcripts for unmatched precision. Smarter than real life, faster than you record. This entire tutorial was recorded and cut in TimeBolt, and I'm out of time.